away she goes.
There we go, we're on joystick.
It's working.
Right.
Try some elevator. Check your pitch. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this feels really quite good actually. Oh, it's one-handed flying.
Is it like flying a real thing?
Bit of rudder. Look at that, bit of rudder, bit of... Look, I can coordinate my turns really easily with this.
Yeah.
Pull it left, turn it right.
Cool.
Got to try and get... I'll probably take some practice. It's a flat turn, but... Where are we? I'm not even taking notice where I am. This is comfortable, really comfy. It's, yeah, this is the full experience, this is. Let's turn the telly down a bit, shall we? I didn't incorporate them trims in the end, did I?
It's quite nice.
Good altitude, good speed. Right, let's just try and get that trimmed out a bit, shall we? Because that's still a little bit... I've got to fly into the wind first, don't I? Ooh, that's a lot of turn. It's a little bit more sensitive with the joystick, so I'll probably try and want to get some expo in that compared to the normal sticks, but it ain't bad.
Hey pilots, this is your pilot Lee.
And he's relaxing.
Take the piss out of that
I'm
guy.
well chilled.
The guy does those videos on Motion RC.
Oh, Motion RC, yeah.
Hey pilots, what we got on the deck today for you? We got a mini Talon.
At least it's not like that guy from UAV Futures.
Oh yeah.
Super excited. Yeah, look, into the wind, it ain't bad. That's hands off.
Wow.
I think it probably wants to trim a little bit because that's turning. Okay, that's backwards.
Yeah, so you're rolling left now. What are you doing here?
Yeah, it's almost perfect. It's not even in it. Oh, it is altitude hold as well, yeah. Let's see, I need to make sure I get into the wind before.
It's a beauty, ain't it?
She's a gem. I just need to make a note of where I am because I'm lost currently. Oh, I'm over here. I was actually the other way from where I
You
thought
know
I
I'm
was.
filming you do this.
Oh yeah? Hello!
You can incorporate this into a video.
What can I hear? Oh, it's my plane. I was looking out for it.
There's a jet somewhere. It's about 1 million feet, I believe.
Yeah, it's alright. I should probably make a mental note of where I am half the time. Yeah, look at the view.
There's the old query. This is a good spot, it's easy to orient yourself where you were, isn't it? To know the spot where you are.
Yeah, she takes along, right?
Yeah.
That's only drawing 7 amps.
7 amps.
That was. Now I'm going like 13 amps.
Still nothing.
Turn that music down a little bit.
For a big airframe like that, that's nothing. Amps, 13 amps.
Cruise is supposed to be about 4.5 amps on this,
Yeah.
but I need to get a CG perfect now on the new setup.
The video is holding out really well. It's about 2 glitches so far. Nothing. Clean as anything.
There we go, 4.5, just over 4.5 amps.
Is that our old flying site over there?
Yeah, there we go, 4.5 amps, 40 miles an hour, into the wind.
Yeah. Did you see that post there? Steep old climb going on there.
Yeah, she climbs like a trooper. That's 25 amps, well, 23
Did you
amps.
see that post there with the lamp on it?
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it coming up, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be close, but not that close.
I think, oh my god, I hope you've seen that.
I went past it. I was like, that is a bit close. That would have been fucking hilarious because it would have just proper taken me out. I wasn't going slow either.